welcome in. Everybody come in, take a seat. If you're new here, hi, I'm Leslie. Welcome to what I like to call Crochet for Icons. And if you're here right now, you're an icon, duh, and probably stay. I have some guests today. Can we guess? It's Puppy M and let me know in the comments who your skzoo bias is. So I thought today we could make my skazoos some cute little outfits or little accessories because summer's coming and all they have is what's on their backs. Literally, this is all they have right now. I haven't taken them out of their little, what are these, capes, since I got them. They told me they wanted new clothes, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's get started. Okay, so for this I decided to use like the thinnest yarns that I have. I don't have that many, but I have these three colors that I think are pretty cute. So we have this like sage green. Oh no, it's tangled. We have this like baby blue, and ready for this monstrosity, we have this pink one. Oh my god, it's already, oh my god, I'm already overwhelmed. It's stuck to my ring. So this one's really cute. You kind of can't tell, but there's like an extra like thread running through it. You can't see it. I was most excited to use this color, but honestly, this is gonna drive me crazy because look how like tangled it is, and then there's like an extra little bit right here that I like wound. I'm already on edge. I'm already just because of that. I also have this one though that's like pretty much the same color. Well, it's like really similar. This one's also thin and it has sequins. I don't know if you can see it, but this one's cute. The only thing is this one's like scratchier because of the sequins. This will be like my backup one if I can't handle the super tangled one. Okay, so I think we're gonna start with Mr. Puppy M here. And Mr. Puppy M has requested that we make him a little dress. I think we're gonna make him like a little dress. The last time I made skzoo clothes, I did it for my other skazoos, like the other bigger ones. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but as usual, I'm not gonna plan it. We're gonna work our way through it. We're gonna freehand, okay? So I don't even know what hook to use. I think I'm gonna use a 3.5. This is like one of the smaller hooks that I have. Okay, we'll use this one. This is also a 3.5. I just like it because it's cuter. And I think we're gonna start with the baby pink, even though I'm gonna lose my mind for sure. I don't even know where it starts. Something in me telling me to just cut it. I know I shouldn't cut it though. Should I, honestly? But like, where would I even cut it? Where would I even cut it? This is... Wait. I don't know if this is a smart or a dumb idea, but this little bit I know has an end in there. So what if I just unravel this until I find this end, because I don't know where the other end is. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. I don't know how much is in here though. It looks small, but I think there might be a lot. Haha, I win. We're gonna start. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's bring in our model to take measurements. Not really, we're just gonna take off his little cape. What should we make? I mean, he requested a dress, right? Okay. Ooh, he has like some dents from the cape. Oh, what kind of dress though? Let's start by going around maybe his neck. I'm trying to envision like the steps that I need to take for this. So let's just, I don't even know. I'm not even gonna count, I'm just gonna chain. Okay. I chained too many. I made too many chains. I don't want to choke him either though. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, row 1 is done, but it honestly looks like it's gonna be tight on him. Let's try it on. It's actually a little loose. It's like a tiny bit loose. I'm gonna go back and take off a few stitches because while I redo row 1, let's find something to watch. I'm not caught up with the new videos yet, so I think we're gonna watch Lino's video with these cats. Okay, let's watch this one. Not the Backrooms ad. Wait, is anybody actually planning on watching that movie? Because honestly, I kind of want to watch it. Oh my god, that's so cute. I don't know why I forgot for a second that I don't speak Korean, so we're gonna need subtitles. Not the hissing. The lashes. I finished the new row 1. Let's try it on. Oh. Okay, I think that's way better. This is how we're looking so far. I started crocheting like directly on him because I think it was easier to get like the measurements right. So I think I'm gonna go down a few more rows and then maybe some ruffles, I think would be cute. I realized that from the single it looks like I'm crocheting Puppy M. Honestly, I could stop her here and give him a little shirt, but I want it to be he wants it to be a dress. Okay, I'm doing the ruffles, but I feel like it's not ruffly enough. I'm not sure. I don't know if I should go back or just keep going and see how it comes out and then decide later if I don't like it. We're gonna keep going, and then if it doesn't look right, I'll go back. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. I just dropped it and it unraveled. Okay, only unraveled a little bit. I was just being dramatic, I think. We can go back, it's okay. It's already looking cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave the ruffles like that. I want to add like another layer of ruffles. Now that I'm working on the second row of the ruffles, it's also not looking ruffly. I feel defeated. I don't know. Should I just keep going and hope for the best? It looks flat to me. I think I'm gonna keep going. I feel like once I finish the row, I might actually like it. Alright, everybody, let me know in the comments what your favorite Stray Kids song is. I'll go first. I actually have a lot of favorites, but right now, my two favorites are Collision and Divine. They're just too good, especially like the Divine intro and the end. Don't even get me started. Obsessed. We do it every time. Ooh, please stop it. Stop it. Gonna cut my end and we're gonna weave it in. Weave the end in so Puppy M's dress doesn't fall apart. Why am I struggling so much right now? Because these stitches are so small. It's just too good. Yeah, we do it every time. And I'm telling you, it's too good. Sometimes when I listen to Divine, I'll just like, it gets to the end and I'll rewind it like 15 or 20 seconds. Again, I can't be the only one who does that though. Don't lie, don't lie. Okay, so this is Puppy's finished dress. Isn't it so cute? Okay, I'm thinking for the next time, I'll add like an extra row at the top because it doesn't quite reach his neck. I don't know, like if it was like this, would it look weird? Like higher? I don't know. Should we make like a matching like little hair accessory or something? Wait, does he have like a space that I can tie bows through? He does. Let's make him some little bows that we can tie around his ears. Alright, I finished watching Lino's video and very coincidentally and conveniently we have Divine right here. Guess what I'm gonna do? Right, we're gonna watch the music video. I'm watching the behind the scenes for when they recorded Do It, and those are my favorite videos. I love the recording videos. Like these kind of videos, the best. I just love like the studio videos, getting to hear their vocals and stuff. I just love Stray Kids. I just love them so much. I'm dramatic, but I do. No, my Do It album literally right there too. I love Stray Kids, I love skzoo. Life is good right now. I think I'm just gonna leave it with one bow. I think it looks cute like that. I think two might be like too much. Like they're gonna be like crushing into each other. He's so cute. Puppy M is done. We're gonna give him his moment. So here's the front, here's the back, then his little bow. Okay, what should we make for Wolfchan? I'm not sure. Let's ask him. Let's ask him what he wants. Okay, let's move over to the floor so I can lean my back on something, because right now I'm sitting like on a stool, so I have like no back support and my posture is terrible. Alright, we moved over to the floor. I also realized it's almost 1 a.m. So I'm whispering because I don't want to be loud in the middle of the night. We're gonna get started on Wolfchan's outfit. Wolfchan wants a shirt and some kind of hair accessory. I think I'm gonna do like blue for the main color, and maybe I'll add something green to it. I think I'm gonna follow kind of the same stitch number that I did for Puppy M's. I'm trying to record for my TikTok at the same time. Okay, I finished row 1 and we're gonna try it on him. I'm trying to take only one video, so at the same time. This is how row 1 is looking. Good so far. I'm gonna keep crocheting with it on him because it's quicker and, well, not quicker, but it's, I want to make sure it fits right. It also helps because like the seam on his back, I'm using that as reference for like the back middle of the shirt, right? So like the seam of the top of the seam of the shirt is lined up with his seam. Try not to make like the clothes too tight to where you have to like squeeze him in there, because last time that I made outfits for my others, because it was like the bigger ones, when I took the clothes off there was a lot of like indents on their fur from the stitches, and like it's gonna leave indents regardless, but I don't want the indents to be super deep. For this one, we do have to work around the tail because I don't want it to just be flat, but so far it looks cute. Okay, this is how it came out. I made a little hole right here for his tail to pop out. Okay, I just need to weave the end in for this. So my throat, I want to add something green to it since we still have the green yarn. I'm not used to crocheting like little, such tiny things. Don't tell me this yarn's also a mess. Wait, I found it. Never mind. Oh. No, it is a mess. Well, no, I think it's good. Oh my god, I don't... Yeah, no, it's good, it's good, it's good. Since we're using green for the other color, I'm thinking of doing maybe like a little clover or something. But I don't know if I can do one that small. Well, we're gonna try it. I'm trying to show you the process, but it's really hard because I'm struggling here. Yeah, I think I need to make it smaller. Oh my god, I can hear my wrists popping. I hope this comes out the way that I'm envisioning it. My posture is terrible right now. If you can see me, I look like a shrimp. And then I'm wearing orange too. So here's the tiny clover that I made. I just need to cut the ends off. I'm thinking I'll do like a little headband, and then we'll put clovers on it too. I'm scared I'm gonna accidentally cut him or something. He's sticking to my scissors. Finish the little headband. Let's put it on him. This is how Wolfchan's final little clover outfit came out. I think it came out pretty cute. And if anybody wants a tutorial for either of these, let me know. I can retrace my steps and put together a tutorial for you guys. Let me know what other Stray Kids or skzoo projects I should do next, or maybe something from a different K-pop group or artist. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'll leave all my social media down below if you want to follow me. Oh, and if nobody told you today, you're iconic. Duh!